Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 10.5 question number 2. Construct a right angle triangle whose hypotenuse is 6 cm long and one of the legs is 4 cm long. Let us draw a rough diagram of right angle triangle such that we may get an idea to construct the triangle. So this is the triangle ABC. ABC. And suppose one of the legs is 4 cm. Suppose BC is 4 cm. BC is 4 cm. Right, and hypotenuse is 6 centimeter long. Hypotenuse, this is 6 centimeter long. Right, now we draw this triangle. First of all, take a ruler, and with the help of this ruler make side of 4 centimeter long. Suppose this is the ruler and you're taking a line exactly 4 centimeter long. Here you see, this is 4, this is 4 centimeter long, and if we let the name of this triangle, name of this side is BC, and this is 4 centimeter long. This is 4 centimeter long. Now, if we extend this line, if we extend this line, if we extend this line, then we are extending this line. We extend that line, right? Now, with the help of compass, let us make 90 degree at point B. With the help of this, take this pointer at point B. Take this pointer at point B. Take this pointer at point B and make an arc. Right? Let us make an arc. Right? Now we'll extend this one, we'll extend this one, and taking this pointer at this point, taking this pointer at this point, make another arc here, and again taking this pointer at here, at this point, take this pointer at here, make another arc. That will give a, with the help 90 degree at point B. With the help of the ruler, make 90 degree. We'll make 90 degree to join this point with this point, this point with B point. join this line.